Hello students, today we will study next topic of chapter 3, cells in series combination. Okay, cells in series combination. First of all, what is series combination of cells? When cells are connected in series, then they are joined end to end so that the same quantity of electric current must flow through each cell. Okay, that is, in series combination, current flows through each cell is same. This is a diagram of a series combination of electric cells. Here capital E is EMF of each cell and small r is internal resistance of each cell. Here capital I is the total electric current flowing through the circuit and capital R is external resistance of the circuit. In series combination of cells, there are 2 points you have to remember. First, the EMF of the battery is the sum of the individual EMFs of the cells, and the total internal resistance of the battery is the sum of the individual internal resistance of the cells. Okay, now the total EMF of the battery is number of cells into EMF of each cell, that is E. So total EMF of the battery is NE. Similarly, the total internal resistance of the battery is number of cells into internal resistance of each cell, that is R. Okay, now the total internal resistance of the battery is NR. Now we can find total resistance of the circuit is NR plus R, that is total internal resistance plus total external resistance, NR plus R. By using Ohm's law, we can find current through the circuit I is equal to EMF E by resistance R. In this case, total EMF is NE and total resistance is NR plus R. So current through the circuit I is equal to NE by NR plus R. This is the effective current flowing through the circuit in series combination of cells. There are 2 cases in this combination. First, if external resistance R is very less than total internal resistance, then in this condition we can neglect external resistance capital R and we get I is equal to NE by NR, and we get I is equal to E by R. Okay, and in second case, if external resistance is very greater than internal resistance of the battery, then in this condition we can neglect NR and we get I is equal to NE by capital R. From this expression we conclude that when internal resistance is negligible in comparison to the external resistance, that is condition 2, then the cells are connected in series combination to get maximum current. Okay, when internal resistance is negligible to the comparison to the external resistance, then cells are connected in series to get maximum current in the circuit. Now our next topic is cells in parallel combination. Okay, what is parallel combination of cells? Cells are said to be connected in parallel combination if positive terminal of each cell, okay, positive terminal means this plate, okay, bigger plate. Cells are said to be connected in parallel if positive terminal of each cell is connected to one point and a negative terminal of each cell is connected to the other point in the circuit. This is symbol of cell. This is positive terminal of cell and this is negative terminal of cell. If all positive terminals are connected in one point and all negative terminals of the cell connected in other point, then this combination of cells is called parallel combination. This is diagram for parallel combination of cells. Here capital E is EMF of each cell and small r is internal resistance of each cell, I is current through the circuit, external circuit, and capital R is external resistance. In parallel combination of cells, you have to remember 2 points. First, the equivalent EMF of the cells is the same as that of a single cell. Okay, in parallel combination of cells, the equivalent EMF of the cells is the same as that of a single cell, that is capital E. And second point is the reciprocal of the total internal resistance is the sum of the reciprocal of individual internal resistances. Okay, the reciprocal of the total internal resistance is sum of the reciprocal of the individual internal resistances. In now, the total EMF of the battery is equal to equivalent EMF of the cells, that is EMF of single cell, that is E, and total internal resistance of the battery is small r by n. Therefore, the total resistance of the circuit is total internal resistance plus external resistance, that is small r by n plus capital R. By using Ohm's law, we can calculate current through the circuit. I is equal to Ne by Nr plus small r. I is equal to E by R by N plus R. Okay, by taking LCM we get Ne by R plus Nr. This is the expression for total current through circuit in parallel combination of cells. There are two cases in parallel combination of cells. First, if external resistance is very less than the total internal resistance, in this case we can neglect capital R and we get I is equal to Ne by small r. And in second case, if external resistance is very greater than total internal resistance, that is R by N, then we can neglect internal resistance, that is small r, and we get I is equal to E by R. Okay, from this expression we conclude that when external resistance is negligible comparison to the internal resistance, that is first case. Okay, if external resistance is negligible in comparison to the internal resistance, then the cells are connected in parallel to get maximum current. Okay, if external resistance is negligible in comparison to the internal resistance, that is small r, then the cells are connected in parallel combination to get maximum current in the circuit. Our next topic is mixed grouping of cells or mixed combination of cells. Mixed combination means sum of parallel and series combination. Okay. What is mixed combination? If some cells are connected in series to form a row, if some cells are connected in series combination to form a row and number of such rows of cells are connected in parallel, okay, then they are said to be connected in mixed grouping or mixed combination. If they are some cells are connected in series to form a row and such number of rows of cells are connected in parallel, then this combination is called mixed combination. This is the diagram of mixed combination. Here E1, E2, dash 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 En is such a row, and there are small m such rows connected in parallel combination. And I is the current flowing through external circuit and R is external resistance. Now we find the total current flowing through the circuit in mixed combination. First, the EMF of cells in each row. The EMF of cells in each row is any, because in a row there are small n cells and each cell having EMF E. So the EMF of cells in a row is any. Because these rows are connected in parallel, so the total EMF of the combination of cells is Ne. Okay, because these rows are connected in parallel combination, and in parallel combination EMF is same. Now the total internal resistance of the circuit is NR by M, because internal resistance of each row is NR and there are small m such rows, so total internal resistance is NR by M. And the total resistance and the total resistance of the circuit is NR by M plus capital R. Now by using Ohm's law we get I is equal to Ne by R plus NR by M. On solving we get I is equal to Nme upon Mr plus Nr. Okay, this is the required expression for current in mixed combination of cells. The current I in this expression, the current I will be maximum if the denominator, that is Mr plus Nr, is minimum. The current I will be maximum if the denominator Mr plus Nr is minimum. Okay, we can write Mr plus Nr as Mr plus Nr is equal to under root is equal to this one, under root Mr square plus under root Nr square minus under root Mnrr plus under root Mnrr is equal to minimum. Okay, on solving we get under root Mr minus under root Nr square plus under root Mnrr is equal to minimum. If it will be so, if under root Mr minus under root Nr is equal to 0. Okay, and now we get under root Mr is equal to under root Nr, or Mr is equal to Nr, and we get R is equal to resistance R is equal to NR upon M. Okay. From this expression we conclude that for maximum current to flow through the external circuit in mixed combination, the external resistance should be equal to the total internal resistance. Okay. For maximum current to flow through the external circuit in mixed combination, the external resistance should be equal to the total internal resistance, that is NR by M. Okay. Thank you, students.